How to use AI for small business marketing. Now, marketing a small business consistently is one of the things that almost every business owner knows they should be doing better. You know you need to be posting on social media. You know your email list is sitting there underused. You know your competitors are running ads and showing up in places that you aren't. But between serving clients, managing operations, handling finances, and everything else that running a business demands, marketing is the first thing that gets deprioritized when the week gets busy. Now, the result is a familiar cycle. Things are quite slow, so you focus on marketing for a week or two. Business is going to pick up, marketing is going to get pushed aside. Now, things will slow down again, and you're starting from scratch with an audience that is gone quiet because you disappeared. Now, AI does not solve the strategy problem. You still need to know who you're marketing to and what you're trying to say, but it does solve the production problem. Now, the reason most small business owners are inconsistent with marketing is not lack of intention. It's that producing quality marketing content manually across multiple channels week after week takes more time than a solo operator or a small team realistically has. Now, this video is a practical playbook for using AI in your small business marketing, covering content creation, social media, email, visual assets, and measuring what's working. So by the end, you will have a clear picture of which tools to use, how to use them together, and how to build a marketing system that stays consistent even when you are busy. So before we get into the specific tools and workflows, it is worth and realizing the gap between the marketing tool demos and what actually works. Now, AI marketing tools are genuinely good at producing volume. They can generate literal social media captions, email drafts, ad copies, and blog outlines faster than any human. What they're not good at is knowing your specific customers, your local market, or even your business's real differentiators, or the tone that makes your brand feel authentic rather than generic. That knowledge has to come from you. The most effective AI marketing workflow for a small business is one where you provide the strategy and specific business context. Your audience, your offer, your voice, your goals, and AI handles the production. You're the editor and the strategist. AI is the writer's room that never runs out of output. Now, this distinction is going to shape how you use every tool. Now, I'm going to go ahead and cover the more specific business context that you give the AI more useful outputs. Now, a prompt that says something like, write me a social media post is obviously going to work much better, or write a LinkedIn post for a bookkeeping firm targeting restaurant owners in Phoenix, sharing one specific tip, etc. Now, that extra 30 seconds of context is the difference between output that you can use and output you have to rewrite entirely. Now, the marketing channels I'm going to cover are content and copywriting, social media, email marketing, visual content, and paid advertising. Each one is going to have specific AI tools that are worth using and a specific workflow that makes them practical for a small business. Now, the written copy is the foundation of every marketing channel, like your website, your ads, your emails, your social posts, your proposals. Now, ChatGPT and Claude are the starting point for most small business copywriting tasks, and the key to getting useful output is building prompt templates for your recurring writing tasks rather than starting from scratch every time. Now, a prompt template is quite reusable, and prompt structure with your business context already is baked in. You fill in the specific topic or task, and the AI fills in the content. So here is an example of a prompt template for a service business. You're pretty much writing marketing copy. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and say you are writing a marketing copy. And you could obviously go into more detail and say for an e-commerce business store serving young audiences, or in, let's say, engaging and fun tone. Okay, now you could say our main differentiator is, let's say, the fact that we have hand knitted clothes. Okay, and you can also go ahead and write a specific content type or a specific, something and the goal to it. So once you've written this in, you can go ahead and send it in. And as you can see, it will create that marketing copy. Handmade hits different in a world full of mass-produced fashion, wear something, wear a story, etc. So these are templates that you can create and use these templates later on. Now, for website copy specifically, you can also go ahead and create FAQs through AI. Then there's social media, where the inconsistency problem is most painful for small business owners. Okay, so the workflow that works best is monthly batch creation. So here's how the session runs. You can open GPT with your prompt template, define your content pillar as you go on. Then what you can do is pretty much go to a website like Buffer, or even go ahead with something like Later with the associated graphics. You're going to set a schedule and your social media runs automatically for the rest of the month without actually requiring daily attention. Now, Buffer's AI assistant is worth using inside of this workflow. Okay. And for LinkedIn specifically, you can use this pretty well. Then there's email marketing with welcome sequences and regular newsletters, for which you can use MailChimp and its capabilities. Now, MailChimp is one of the best email marketing platforms out there. It's fully AI automated and it works really well according to your content. And the AI tools that are provided in it work so incredibly that people are actually doing a crime not using it. Then visual content is also a category where small businesses are going to scour. And for visual content and different types of imagery and media, Canva is the most practical visual content tool for small businesses. There's different features like magic design, magic write, or even background remover that works really well. Moving on, you can also use Adobe Firefly or even CapCut for all your visual workings. Now, the most common and damaging mistake in doing all this is producing AI marketing content without a strategy behind it. Now, AI makes it quite easy to generate a high volume of posts, emails, and even ads. Okay, but volume without direction produces noise rather than results. So before you use any AI tool for marketing, be clear on who you are marketing to, what your problem and what you solve for them, and what action you want your marketing to drive. Now, AI is going to amplify your general strategy. It doesn't create one for you. Now, the second mistake is probably going ahead and publishing AI generated content without editing it for accuracy and voice. Now, AI writing tools produce confident outputs that can contain generic phrasing, factual inaccuracies, or details that simply aren't true for your specific business. Now, every piece of AI generated marketing content needs a human review pass before it goes out. So the review doesn't need to be extensive. 5 minutes of reading, adjusting anything generic, and adding one or two specific details that reflect your actual business is usually enough. The third mistake is going to be trying to be on every platform simultaneously. So a consistent AI assisted marketing system has 4 components, and these are the 4 components you need to work with. So marketing done consistently over 6 to 12 compound months is a good burst of activity and a good way to set everything up. So that is pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.